very good morning to you all. Can you guess what bird it is? Yes, it's sparrow. You might be wondering why I'm showing you the picture. And children, when you're small, when your grannies and your mamas used to feed you in the window, they used to tell one Marathi song, a poem. चिव चिव ये चारा खा पाणी पी आणि भूर उडून जा. And you might be wondering why I'm showing you this picture and why I'm telling you that song. Because nowadays, if you see, you can rarely see the sparrows in your windows, isn't it? And the reason behind telling you this is today we are celebrating the World Sparrow Day because it is 20th March and 20th March is celebrated as the World Sparrow Day. World Sparrow Day. What is the background behind that? The idea of celebrating World Sparrow Day came up during an informal discussion over tea at the Nature Forever Society's office. This caught our fancy for its potential to make a positive difference to the fate of the house sparrow, and we started working upon it. The idea was to earmark a day for the house sparrow to convey the message of conservation of house sparrow and other common birds, and also mark a day of celebration to appreciate the beauty of common biodiversity which we take so much for granted. What is World Sparrow Day? A World Sparrow Day is celebrated on the March 20th of every year. The objective of World Sparrow Day is to educate the public about the threat of pollution environment and non-caring humans to the house sparrow population, as well as to the other common bird species. Additionally, the World Sparrow Day encourages the appreciation of common biodiversity, which covers a change from a typical attention surrounding rare and exotic species. What is Nature Forever Society and what does it do? The Nature Forever Society began working in 2006 and was officially founded in 2008. Its objective is the conservation of common plant and animal species. The organization works to involve the residents of India with environmental and conservation initiatives. Its founder and members focus on simple projects with significant value and the ability to be successful in the multiple regions around the world. The man behind the project. Who is the person who had initiated the idea of World Sparrow Day and conservation of it? The founder of Nature Forever Society and the brain behind the World Sparrow Day is Muhammad Dilawar. He got his start in conservation work by volunteering to take surveys and taking part in public education campaigns. A year after completing his master degree in ecology in 2006, he joined the Royal Society for the Protection of Birds. He stayed with that organization for 4 years, working on projects concerning the decline of house sparrow in urban areas of India. You see, because of this cement concrete world, these birds are getting very rare because they don't have any trees left to build their nest and to survive. What is the impact of World Sparrow Day? The impact of World Sparrow Day has been significant on a global level. It has given people around the world a network where they can work together and exchange ideas about conservation and public education projects. This exchange of ideas is crucial for improving the information surrounding house sparrows and other common bird species. This platform has been an important component in raising conservation awareness and promoting other outreach and advocacy initiatives. World Sparrow Day has spread the message that it is just as important to conserve common species as it is to conserve and protect the rare and exotic species. In August of 2012, the house sparrow became the state bird of Delhi. This was announced at the Rise for Sparrow campaign carried out by Nature Forever Society. Do you know some interesting facts about the sparrows? No? Just let me tell you that. Do you know that there is a main difference between the male and female sparrows? Female have brown backs with stripes while the male has reddish backs with the black bibs. Also, a male sparrow is slightly larger than female. They live in colonies known as flocks. If they sense danger, they can swim at a fast pace. Sparrows are not territorial in nature, they are protective and build their nest. The male sparrows construct nests to attract their female counterparts. House sparrows can live in urban or rural settings as they are strongly associated with human habitations. You see, few birds they do not come near human beings, but sparrows they come near human beings. They are found in widely varied habitats and climates, not in woodlands, deserts, forests, and grasslands. The average life expectancy of the wild sparrow is under 10 years and mainly closer to 4 to 5 years. The flight of house sparrow is direct with continued flapping and not periods of gliding averaging 45.5 kilometers per hour and about 15 wing beats per second. So, students, it is our responsibility that if you want your future generation to see the sparrows not in pictures but in life, so we have to take initiative to conserve these house sparrows. Thank you and have a wonderful day.